Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. And this video I'm going to discuss about Indus Bank, and the stock is already we are making a video for yesterday, so that I have mentioned about the stock, how it can rally, the expected thing and everything we are discussing on this video. So now what should be the best trading strategy for the stock which we can apply for this contract, April contract, because we already told you. So what should be the best range, and these are the expected range about the stock we expected of 447. So that happened today itself, and today is the expiry. That's why we recommended you to wait for the today's closing price, and we'll check about Indus Bank. So what happened today? It increased more than 100 points today, more than 140 points. What we given a recommendation on our video, so that happened today itself. Okay, and for example on a 16-minute chart, this is a hourly chart about Indus Bank Limited. So in this particular thing, we tell you yesterday's closing price is around 300 rupees and today's closing price is 440. So the stock increased more than 140 points. So what, as per our expected level, the stock increased, stock up by 140 points. That is what our minimum expected move for the contract wise. That is we expected that will be a thing happen more than 168 or 200 points expected movement for the stock for the next expiry, but this happened in a single day. So this is also be the expiry move, and already the stock is beaten from 1100, and now it is coming a maximum of 230 level, and again it recovered and closed by 440. So this is happened, this is already done because in the monthly move, so it happened, and then monthly how much the percentage the stock is down, and it recovered more than 40-50%. So exactly the stock is down by 60% from this starting of the month. So now we are going to analyze for the same stock, so that what we have given an analysis for the yesterday. So these are the expected level about the stock we are analyzed, and we think that anything will happen. So we are expecting the 131, and so what we are expected yesterday 440 is our expected upside. If you are doing the strategical basis, even we are expecting 90% down. So understand, 90% down, but 10% chances is up. I already told you on my video, but that 10% will reach my expected up level one. So this is the way we have to approach the market. So we think that there will be a bearishness in the market, we are expecting downside in market, but at any cost, if market increases, what we are going to do that, or what? So and under another important thing is a physical delivery contract. We cannot able to trade on the stock, and everything we cannot, but we yesterday recommended 300 and call and 300 and put that we have discussed about yesterday. And what should be the closing price about today's scenario, and let we check that both also. So we are paying 186 as a total premium yesterday, that is April contract. But what we are thinking that the stock will reach 447 and 506, or if it is goes down 152 or 83, that is the expected level. So we are discussed about on our last video, and the minimum movement about 168 and 216 point is the movement that we calculated. There will be a movement of 200 points in a stock. So if it is moves, how we are going to make profit? So anyone, I'm also believing that there will be bearishness, but the stock goes bullish. How we can manage? So if you are checking that in this bank, so what happened? Let's check it about that in this bank, and we'll see that what should be the exact strategy for this month. And 435 is the closing price, and let's open an option chain. In this bank option chain will open about April contract. So because we have talked about April contract, so 300 call option where we seen yesterday, simply 300 call option were trading 89 and put option were 97. And today's scenario, if you check the call option where it is trading 205, 300 call option were trading 205, and 300 and put option were trading 62 rupees. Just you see that, imagine. So that we are recommended 300 strike prices which we are taken, that is April series, not for March series. April series Yesterday if simply check it out. From the previous close it increased by 109 points. Previous close it decreased by 28 points. If you are doing the strategies 205, and this premium is around 62.85 62. So what is should be the total premium? 267 is the total premium, but where we have bought and how much we are bought? 86. So simply what are the profits we are going to get? 190 minus 28. So we are going to get almost to 81 point as a profit plus, if you are doing long straddle on the stock. So that is why we are updated the video by yesterday itself, even one day waiting for the expiry, but there will be a big chances to move in the particular stock. It happened. So our expected level is happening on the stock. That gives you a nice result. I am talking about here long straddle only. If you are going for a 3:2 strategy, you imagine that any case, if you are thinking that bearish, you are going to lose. If it's for example, if you are bearish about this stock, if you are bearish about the stock 62 points, so there will be a 30 points is it down. So you are buying 3 lots, so you are going to lose 90 points as a loss if you are going to buy 3 lots. And if you are going to buy 2 lots to protect yourself, 220 points as a profit. So minus 90. So in a single day you are going to get 130 plus. Or if you are bearish bullish, so you are going to get a 330 point profit, and you are going to just lose 60 points, 270 as a profit. So both the cases the stock is going up or going down, you are not worried about the trade. Both the cases it generate you the profit for Indus Bank. And now for this April contract, what we are going to do? Currently the market was trading 450. Okay, the ATM option price is 104 and this one is 113. So 450, 104, 113. So here 104 and 113, this is the total premium is around 217 points. Based on the historical and implied volatility, currently market was trading 440. So based on the historical and implied, let's calculate the stocks range and what should be the best trading strategy. 256 is the volatility and the stock price is 440, and 256 is the historical volatility. We have another 35 days is the expiry. So we are calculating from today itself. Indus Bank, let's discuss. Indus Bank is 234 is the IV. So 234, and we have 35 days is the expiry. And let's check it out the stock where it can move. As per the same volatility, if it is maintained, so the average movement for the daily of this particular stock is around 60-70 points. There will be a lot of opportunity to find out the trade. Yeah, it's perfect. There will be a today's scenario, the stock having good ability to do the trade. So we are paying the 200 rupees premium, and the stock have ability to move 217 and 237, 348, and the approximate movement about this stock 320 points and maximum 340, 350. So the same historical and implied volatility maintains, the stock will reach again 788, and even it can comes to 91 level, or if as per the implied volatility it will comes to 120 level, or it may goes to 750 level. So these are the expected thing which can happen in the stock for this expiry. As for the option premium, the minimum expected movement is the 220 level for the stock and 657. So if anyone who ready to take a out of the money options, so you can go for a 250 put and 650 call. So this is another best strategy which you can go for a long strangle. So that is also be one of the good strategy for this monthly contract of April month, not for March. March has already gone up. And another strategy what we are going to do here, it's a very powerful thing. So this stock is quite good for both the trading strategies, all the trading strategies. It's a good for a long straddle because the premium 217 and minimum expected movement is 308 and 348. So long straddle also possible for the good stock. So on long straddle is a good, and future with option also good. And if you ready to take a sell buy and buy sell options also strategy also good in this particular stock. So these are the levels for Indus Bank for this next contract, April contract, we can see this much of levels if it is historical volatility based, and this is what implied volatility, and this is what historical volatility based. And 90 level, 120 level, so the minimum expected downside is 220 and maximum is 120, and minimum 657, maximum 758. These are the expected level about this IndusInd Bank. So you can go through that and follow the strategy. And we on this our YouTube channel, we are discussing about some 5 stocks: Indiabulls Housing Finance, SBIN, and this one in Indus Bank. So I find out there will be good chances for SBI and Indiabulls Housing Finance, sorry, IndusInd Bank. So go focused. And if you want to learn my paid strategies, please contact me, the number provided in the description. You can also learn my paid strategies and get more update on my strategies. Thank you for being with me, and thank you. And anyone who not yet subscribed to my channel, so kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, like and comment on this video. If you have any other questions, you can comment, and if you are liked, you can share to your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for being with me, and thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.